Hello. Did the sun come up, or did you just smile at me? Hello. I lost my phone number. Can I borrow yours? Hello. You're so beautiful you made me forget my line. Hello. There's something wrong with my cell phone. It doesn't have your number in it. Hello. I bet you $20 you're gonna turn me down. Hello. I bet you 20 gold you're gonna turn me down. Hello. Do you have the time? No, the time to write down my number. Hello. How much does a polar bear weigh? Enough to break the ice. Hello. Can I take your picture to prove to all my friends that angels exist? Hello. Do you like raisins? How do you feel about a date? Hello. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. Hello. Are you a parking ticket? Because you've got fine written all over you. Hello. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again? If you were a chicken, you'd be impeccable. Hello. Feel my shirt. Know what it's made of? Girlfriend material. Hello. Did your license get suspended for driving all these girls crazy? Hello. Baby, if you were words on a page, you'd be fine print. Hello. Did you just come out of the oven? Because you're hot. Hello. It's a good thing I have my library card, because I'm totally checking you out. Hello. I'm a historian. I'm especially interested in finding a date. Are you a camera? Because I look at you and smile. Hello. Any chance you have an extra heart? Mine's been stolen. Hello. Something's wrong with my eyes, because I can't take them off of you. Hello. You're so sweet. You're giving me a toothache. Hello. Do you have a map? I keep getting lost in your eyes. Hello. I'm sorry. Were you talking to me? No. Would you like to?